हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, महादेव हर। आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 8 साइंस सब्जेक्ट का पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट टेस्ट सॉल्यूशन है। तो आइए देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल। तो प्लांट सेल, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इट हैज सेल वॉल, and in animal cell, first point is it does not have cell wall. In plant cell, second point is plastids or chloroplasts are present in it, while in animal cell chloroplasts are absent in it. In plant cell, third point is one large central vacuole is present in it, and in animal cell, third point is much smaller vacuoles are present in it. यानी कि जो प्लांट सेल होता है उसमें सेल वॉल होता है और जो एनिमल सेल होता है उसमें सेल वॉल नहीं होता है। और जो प्लांट होता है उसके पास क्लोरोप्लास्ट यानी कि प्लास्टिड्स होता है, और एनिमल है उसके पास क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं होता है। और प्लांट में वैक्यूल होते हैं लेकिन वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं, और जबकि एनिमल में भी वैक्यूल होते हैं लेकिन वो बहुत छोटी साइज़ के होते हैं। आफ्टर देन क्वेश्चन सेकंड, एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन साइटोप्लाज्मिक मेम्ब्रेन, साइटोप्लाज्म एंड न्यूक्लियस। पहले हम देखेंगे साइटोप्लाज्मिक मेम्ब्रेन। तो साइटोप्लाज्मिक मेम्ब्रेन, द साइटोप्लाज्म एंड न्यूक्लियस आर enclosed within the cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane. The membrane separates cell from one another and also the cell from the surrounding medium. The plasma membrane is porous and allows the movement of substance or materials both inward and outward. After then, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Various organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, vacuoles, plastids यानी कि chloroplast, etc. are present in cytoplasm. After the nucleus, it is an important component of the living cell. It is generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. उसके बाद देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच फ्यूल वुड यू सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम पेट्रोल, डीजल एंड नेचुरल गैस एंड वाई। So we would select natural gas as a fuel because natural gases like CNG is burns completely, which reduce pollution. It does not produce any harmful gases. It does not leave any residue after burning. Natural gases like CNG is a clean gaseous fuel. Their cost is low. यानी कि यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि जो CNG गैस है वो नेचुरल गैस है, और उसमें से अगर उसका दहन होता है तो उसमें से बर्न होता है तो उसमें से किसी भी प्रकार के हार्मफुल गैसेस नहीं निकलती है, और उसकी कॉस्ट भी बहुत लो है, और उससे पोल्यूशन भी नहीं होता है, पोल्यूशन कम होता है। इसके बाद सेकंड क्वेश्चन, विच पॉइंट्स यू विल कीप इन माइंड टू कंट्रोल फायर। Points which we will keep in mind to control fire is given: cut off supply of air, the temperature of fuel should be brought down than its ignition temperature, avoid fuel but in all cases we cannot avoid. After then, question 3 gives scientific reasons. First question is biosphere reserves is a boon for plant and animals. Biosphere reserves are the areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. They are large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources and traditional life of the tribals living into the area. The biosphere reserves helps to maintain the biodiversity and culture of the area. Second question, deserts are formed due to deforestation. Deforestation leads to the change in soil properties. Fewer trees result in more soil erosion. Removal of top layer of the soil exposes the lower hard and rocky layers. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradually the fertile and gets converted into desert. Then the third question is migratory birds leave their place at particular time duration and migrate to other places. Birds who cover long distance to reach another land are known as migratory birds. Migratory birds fly to far away areas every year during a particular time because of climate changes. They fly for laying eggs as the weather in their natural habitat becomes very cold and inhospitable. After then, question 4, answer the following questions. First one is explain the three types of combustion. First one is rapid combustion. The combustion is which the gas burns rapidly and produce heat and light. Such combustion is known as rapid combustion. For example, there are substances like phosphorus which burns in air at room temperature. Second one is spontaneous combustion. The types of combustion is which a material suddenly bursts into flames without the application of any apparent causes is called spontaneous combustion. Example, burning of coal dust. Third one is explosive combustion. Explosive combustion happens when the reaction occurs very rapidly. The reaction occurs when something ignites to produce heat, light and sound energy. The simple way to describe is to call it an explosion. Some classic examples are firecrackers or blowing up of dynamite. Which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use to make ornaments and why? A goldsmith uses the non-luminous zone of candle flame to melt gold and silver because it is the hottest part of the candle flame and has most temperature. Question 5. Answer the following questions. First one is what can be done to save forest? More and more plants will be grown to protect planted plants and supply sufficiently water to them, to inform local people about the benefits of trees, to inform people about the disadvantages of cutting the trees, to take responsibility about the cut only branches and go prevent the cutting of entire tree, to take oath for the plantation of some numbers of plants to the number of years of age on birthday and mention it. Second question is what should be done to save petrol and diesel? In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association (PCRA) advises people how to save petrol and diesel while driving. Drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or a place where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure. Ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. So we hope you have understood the information we have provided. Thank you.